Hi, welcome. This is Elmo booth, and we are a Japanese manufacturer. And this time that we are going to offer the Huddle space, the collaboration hub. And as you can see, that the simultaneously, the customer can show, each presentation onto the screen in order to quickly share and in order to build up, the collaboration, the quality. And this is the new, the collaboration hub from Elmo.
Welcome again to the Elmo booth. We are showing here the collaboration system of Elmo screens. And here is prepared a situation where we can be in conference at 2 places on the world. So that means you can stay here on the screen. You can write something on this screen in UK maybe, and the second screen reaches these informations, and they can work together on documents on whiteboard, and they can exchange some data between 2 locations. That is the main feature of this system.
Hello, this is our Elmo AV Control system. You can see this panel. We can control all the devices from this screen. So this is a touch screen. You can change to any device, and we can control the volume, switch it on and off. It's very easy to set up. So this is very useful in a conference room, museum, exhibition, and showrooms. And as you can see, it can connect to PC, media player, Blu-ray, DVD player, and also our document camera can be connected. And through our switcher and to the devices. These are the spec, and this is newly launched from this year. So please have a look, and we are waiting for your inquiry. Thank you.